Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy barked and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Oh no! Some numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them. Can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. Said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Fine, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 9. Mr. Ten, where are you? Here I am. Can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefree. See, peekaboo, I found you, number 10. Yay, let's dance. Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. From 1 to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. sickness away. She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Oh, kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, open wide. Cow goes, moo, I tried. Moo boy, she gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. Three. Farmer laughs. Thank you, kitty. You are smart and super pretty. Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn dirt, no. All animals clap and cheer. Love but good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick. Oh, Toddler kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. Oh no no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check check check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check check check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom boom boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, sip, sip. Drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, yay, yay. Feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea. Healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty. Thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip hip hooray, 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 hooray. Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack crack in his teeth today. Oh no no no, what's the way? Help help help, what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch ouch ouch, he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes might tell the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Dental beep beep beep. Titi arrives with happy lip wreck. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, long, smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick smiles like rising sun. Crunch, 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 happy now. Shows no strong, shows you how. Big bright smiles they cannot hide. Toothbrush shines, sparkle glow. Healthy teeth now ready to go. Oh no, no, turn to yay. Save the teeth today. So smiles loud and free. Best dentist ever, yay! Hi Mom, can I see my shop? Wow! Pop, 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 bubble blast is deep. Pillows burning very fast. Kitty laughs, what is that? Splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise. A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Oh yeah. Kitty laughs, make a wish. Oh yeah. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go no mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screamboat chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me. Best party ever.